Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to make or where to find a bird cage and a bird. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna show you how to make, where you can find a bird cage. Okay, so I think like 2 to 3 years ago for my birthday, I got this little kit, this little set that has, hold on 1 second, the bird is in there. A little bird with a little cage that clips and closes, and you can hang it somewhere. And it has a little mirror in the back. You can see that little mirror right there. I'm trying to get you to where you can see the webcam, but I guess not. Anyway, I feel like a little Shirley Temple. Not that much, but whatever. Now I'm going to show you how to make a bird cage and where you can find this cute little birdie. I found this at my aunt's house actually, so I don't know where you can buy it. Just look around houses and it's soft. It's actually really soft. And it was like, I asked my aunt if she had any miniature stuff that she could give me. And so she took me to this fake plant in her room, and sorry for the really bad lighting. It was glued to this fake plant right down here. You can see the little glue patch, kind of. I can see it in here. I can feel it. I can see it. I can see because it's shiny and it's just like a little bump. Okay. Maybe if I take this one. Yeah, right there. You can see it now. Yeah, that little. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah, this little curve going up right there. Yeah, that's what it is. That's the glue. And then I just got this like glittery light purple, and I got some dark purple yarn, and I like spread it apart. And then I got this little container from a salad at my school. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is, hey, you like my shirt? Okay. Here's the camera container. So I'm just gonna stick this stuff in here. Spread it out in the bottom. Make sure it's down in there good. Make sure it's covering the whole bottom. If not, it'll just look weird. And then I'm gonna just set my little birdie in there. And then here we go. Little birdie cage. Pure American Doll. And then same with this. Little birdie cage for your American Doll with a birdie in it. And this one has the cutest little birdie ever. The birdie actually looks like a baby bird, like a real baby bird. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed, and bye. Peace out. Hold on.